My name is Namuwonge Rittah, the National Coordinator of the Enyoga program. And you imagine, the National Coordinator of the Enyoga program is a woman. Today we are celebrating the achievement of women. Most women have been having inferiority complex because they have not been empowered for reasons that are not best to them, but because of cultural issues. But the government of Uganda came up and has empowered women through many initiatives, and one of them is the initiative I head, and that is the Enyoga program, which is a presidential initiative. Many women have been empowered, and majority of the enterprises favor women. For example, the saloon operators, the restaurant operators, the women entrepreneurs, and nowadays, even because of affirmative action, the jobs done by men are also done by women. You find women as fisherwomen, we find women as carpenters. They have embraced these initiatives to make sure that they also have a source of income in their homes, because it's written that men are handsome. Men must have money, their hand must have something. But women are helpers of men. The women are supposed to support men to make sure that their hands are full. So women, when you empower a woman, you've empowered a nation. This presidential initiative has empowered so many women, and out of the 646 circles that are in Uganda, 70% of the circles are for women. Many of them, women are there, and there is affirmative action. Women have transformed, and you've seen many of them exhibiting their products as women. My name is Namuwonge Rittah, the National Coordinator of the Enyoga program.
As a woman, do you find any challenges in coordinating this program?
As a woman, of course, there is that inferiority complex, because people look at women as an inferior group. But with the empowerment and the equality created by the Constitution of Uganda, women, I don't find it hard. I just feel what a man can do, I can also do it. I remain Namuwonge Rittah, the National Coordinator of the Enyoga program.